Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are going to learn and I am going to teach you Shodasha Nadi Stotra as told from Narada Purana. So in the Narada Purana, the 16 Nadi Stotra it is mentioned there. It is very auspicious to chant this Shodasha Nadi Stotra every morning. So that is it. So I'll give the full lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those interested, please take snapshot and learn this and chant this every morning to obtain very auspicious results, my dear friends. So before chanting this, we will enter into short prayers now. Here I go. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha. Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namaha. Om Matrubhyo Namaha. Om Pitrubhyo Namaha. Om Rushibhyo Namaha. Om Munibhyo Namaha. Om Acharyebhyacha Namo Namaha. Sarvebhyacha Devi Devatabhyacha Namo Namaha. So now we are done with the prayers, my dear friends. We will recite this wonderful stotra, the most auspicious 16 Nadi stotra, that is the stotra on 16 sacred rivers in India. It is like this. It is mentioned in Narada Purana. So here I go, my dear friends. Narada Puranokta Shodash Nadi Stotram. It is like this. Nadi Stotram Pravakshyami Sarva Papa Pranashanam Bhagirathi Varanasi Yamuna Cha Saraswati. So in the opening line itself it is declared it will ward off all our sins. Sarva Papa Pranashanam. Every morning we have to chant to obtain auspicious results also. That is it. Nadi Stotram Pravakshyami Sarva Papa Pranashanam Bhagirathi Varanasi Yamuna Cha Saraswati. That is the first sloka. Okay. So now we will move on to second sloka. Phalguni Shona Bhadracha Narmada Gandaki Tatha Manikarnika Gomati Prayagi Cha Punah Puni. Punah Puni means these are all sacred rivers, very sacred. Phalguni Shona Bhadracha Narmada Gandaki Tatha Manikarnika Gomati Prayagi Cha Punah Puni. So it is very evident from the very names itself, Sonabhadra, on the banks of river Sonabhadra in Maharashtra, we are getting a Saligrama Shila of Lord Shri Ganapati. And Gandaki Nadi in Nepal, there we will get this Vishnu Saligrama. So, and the Narmada Shiva Saligrama is obtained in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh also. So, second sloka is like this. Phalguni Shona Bhadracha Narmada Gandaki Tatha Manikarnika Gomati Prayagi Cha Punah Puni. Gomati is in Gujarat. Gomati Chakra, that is also a sacred item we get there. So this is the second sloka. I repeat this again. Phalguni Shona Bhadracha Narmada Gandaki Tatha Manikarnika Gomati Prayagi Cha Punah Puni. Prayagi, Prayagraj. There the confluence of several rivers, mainly Ganga tributaries, very famous. So now moving on to the third shloka, my dear friends. Sarayu Mandakini Cha Godavari Tu Bhargavi Kaveri Kapila Chaiva Nadi Shodasha Prakirtitaha. I repeat this again. Sarayu Mandakini Cha Godavari Tu Bhargavi Kaveri Kapila Chaiva Nadi Shodasha Kirtitaha. So this is the three slokas. It mentions the sacred 16 rivers of ancient India. Now maybe one or two are missing or renamed. Rest others are all with the same names. Now the Phalashruti. We will go to the Phalashruti sloka now. Yeta Nadyasmruta Nityam Pratah Kale Mudanvitaha. Mudanvitaha means with joy and cheerful mood. We have to chant this. Pratah Kale, in the early morning, we have to chant Eta Nadyaha Smruta Nityam. We have to chant this stotra. Nityam, every day morning. Pratah Kale Mudanvitaha, with cheerful and joy mode. Fresh in the early morning, we have to chant this with cheerful and joyous mood. Sarva Papa Vinirmukta Vishnu Lokam Sagachati. One who does this Sarva Papa Vinirmukta. So he will be ward of all the sins, and then Vishnu Lokam Sagachati. He will enter into Vaikuntha, Vishnu Loka, where there is eternal bliss. That is the meaning of this sloka, my dear friends. So fantastic stotra from Narada Purana. We will chant this stotra once again and wrap up this video. Meaning are very simple. I have told you already. So there are 4 slokas. First 3 gives the names of the 16 sacred rivers, and then last sloka is the Falashruti. So here I am going to recite this wonderful sloka again. Shodasha Nadi Stotra from Narada Purana. First sloka. Nadi Stotram Pravakshyami Sarva Papa Pranashanam Bhagirati Varanasi Yamuna Cha Saraswati. Then moving on to the second sloka. Falguni Shonabhadra Cha Narmada Gandaki Tatha Manikarnika Gomati Prayagi Cha Punah Puni. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So moving on to the third sloka now. Sarayu Mandakini Cha Godavari Tu Bhargavi Kaveri Kapila Chaiva Nadi Shodasha Kirtitaha. Fantastic. 3 slokas are over. And then Falashruti sloka. Eta Nadya Smuta Nityam Pratah Kale Mudanvitaha Sarva Papa Vinirmukta Vishnu Lokam Sagachati. So that is it, my dear friends. So next video I am going to teach you a lot of other devotion stotras. Like there are 14 items which emerge from Samudra Manthan. A Mangal shloka is there, and then the birth of Nagavalli leaves, that is the most sacred Vidya Lakshmi leaves. I am going to give you all these details in my upcoming video. So bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762 331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. And also people interested to join my classes on Sanskrit devotion stotras, fantastic stotras from several Puranas and devotion of from devotion of Sanskrit literature, and then amazing Sanskrit poetry, brilliant poetry and chandas, that is poetic meters, and also light Carnatic classical music, etc. People interested to learn all these devotional items, please catch me direct on 8762 331815. So bye for now. We'll meet shortly in my upcoming video. This is Suhas Dipi from Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. Hari Om Sukti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.